Welcome to Morpheus Trading Group. Today's technical setup is for the iShares Dow Jones U.S. Real Estate Index, which is ETF ticker symbol IYR. And we are going to be discussing today why it's important to trade with the trend of the broad market. You'll notice in this setup that IYR is in a very pronounced uptrend, which is represented by this dashed black line. And if we go back in time, this setup or this trend line actually extends back 9 or 10 months. It's not shown on the chart here, but it goes 6-7 months further back. As of Wednesday of last week, right here, this candlestick right here is Wednesday's trading range. As of Wednesday, we were for IYR were well above the trend line. We were trading at the trend line. We were trading at support of the 50-period moving average and the trend line. And we're certainly showing relative strength to the broad market because at the same time, the S&P 500, assuming for a moment this chart was the S&P 500, we were trading somewhere in this range, well below the trend line, well below the 50-period moving average. So the S&P 500 was much weaker than IYR. In fact, IYR was showing relative strength to the S&P 500. However, you will notice on Thursday, here we go, on Thursday, IYR finally cracked the uptrend line and closed below it, but still certainly was showing relative strength to the S&P 500. Because once again, the S&P was trading well below its trend line and 50-period moving average. It was trading down in this range. Now, if we go to Friday, we can see that virtually all the relative strength was wrung out of IYR. IYR is now trading at about the same strength as the S&P 500. It's lost its relative strength to a great deal, to a great extent, and is now trading well below support of the uptrend line and these two moving averages, the 20-period and the 50-period moving averages. So this provides a very good demonstration of why it's not wise to trade against the trend, even if a stock or an ETF has relative strength, because when the trend shifts, even temporarily, we don't know if we're in some permanent long-term downtrend in the broad market, but certainly just with a pullback in the market, a correction in the market, with 5 or 6, 7 days of relentless selling, even the strongest of ETFs or stocks can lose their relative strength very quickly. If you enjoyed today's presentation, please join us at www.morpheustrading.com. Again, that's morpheustrading.com, where you can sign up for your free membership to receive technical analysis like this every day. Thank you for joining us today.